Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Knits Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to do the jogless stripe method. If you've ever knit stripes in the round before, you've probably noticed the little jog where the new colors start. It can look a bit messy, but today I'll show you an easy method to keep your color changes smooth, sleek, and clean with this jogless color change. Knitting in the round is like a spiral, not in stacked rows. So each new round starts slightly above the last. It works great for hats, sleeves, cowls, and I actually did use it for my Sunset Breeze wrap, which is a free pattern on my blog that you can get right here. So let me teach you how to do it. You can see my small little sample that I'm doing to do my jogless color change method. My beginning of the row is right here. So you can see the color change looks really good. So let me show you how to do this. I have 2 more stitches until I need to do my color change. So let me finish these 2 stitches in the old color. 1, 2, slip my stitch marker, and now I'm ready to do my color change. To do a color change, I'm going to grab my new color, and then I'm going to knit 1 round in my new color. So I'm just knitting all the way around, and I'll meet back up with you when I'm almost at the end of my round. I have knit all the way around. I only have 2 more stitches left in my new color, and then I will show you how to do the jogless color change. So there's 1, 2, slip that marker. So now normally you would just continue knitting with this new color, but what would happen is you would get that jog. So we need to pull this old color up and stretch it out so that it lines up and makes a nice stripe. So there are a few ways you can do it, but this is my favorite way. So I just grab the right leg of the stitch directly below the stitch I'm working, grab that leg, put it up onto the needle, and then treat these 2 stitches as one and just knit it together. And that elongates this brown stitch so that it looks like it's a clean stripe. I wanted to do it with you guys one more time. So I'm ready to change right now on this stitch. So I'm going to twist the yarn, grab the brown, and I'm ready to knit. When I do my first row of brown, my first round of brown, and go all the way around, make sure that you are doing this. This method works best if you do 3 rows of color. If you only do 1 row or 1 round of color, it breaks the color and doesn't give a clean transition between colors. So you can see I have 3 rounds, 3 rounds, 3 rounds. So that's what works best for these stripes, this jogless stripe method. And then also when you're grabbing the stitch, the right leg of the stitch directly below, it doesn't matter the stitch pattern. So if you're doing open lace work or any pattern, any stitch pattern, you just need to grab the right leg of that stitch pattern. So if it's not stockinette stitch like I'm showing you here, that's okay. So I've got 2 stitches left in this round. So let's work that together. 1, 2, and now I want to do this next round in brown, but I need to make sure that this color change is smooth. So I grab this right leg of the stitch directly below the stitch I want to work, grab the right leg, put it on my left needle, and then treat these 2 stitches as one and knit them together. And that's it. That is how you do the jogless color change. Very simple, very easy to be able to do it and make it look very seamless.
Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed learning the jogless stripe method. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my future tips and tricks. So tell me in the comments, what are you knitting stripes on? Are you using it for socks, sleeves, hats, cowls? I'd love to know. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you'll join me again soon.